ஹலோ கைஸ், அவ்வளோதானா? 51 பேர், 51 ஆஃப் அஸ். சரி, ஓகே. எவ்வளோ பேர் கண்டென்ட் பார்த்து குவிஸ் முடிச்சுட்டு ப்ரிப்பேர்டா இருக்கீங்க? இது ஒருத்தர் ரெண்டு பேராவது? என்ன கண்டென்ட்டா? ஐ திங்க் ஐ சென்ட் அ மெசேஜ் எஸ்டர்டே. மூடல் கண்டென்ட்டா ஃபார் யூனிட் 1 R1. அமைதியா இருந்தா என்ன அர்த்தம்? யாராவது பேசுங்க. I want someone to respond, please. Hey, tell me. கண்டென்ட் பாத்தீங்களா? Not yet. Right. No problem. You have time till Saturday. So Saturday மத்தியானத்துக்குள்ள try and watch the content, attend the quiz, and be ready for the assignments. Yes, we are going to start with the assignments and the worksheets um, by this weekend. Okay, yeah, so we'll come up with that. I'll share it in the group. Okay, there are a couple of things that I wanted to discuss with you. One is regarding the content delivery. As all of you are already aware, that Moodle will be the main focus for us. This will be supplementary to the Moodle classes. I'm talking about the Google Meet or Zoom classes that we have will be supplementary, secondary to Moodle. Moodle classes. Okay, so unless otherwise you have questions or you have clarifications from the content that you have watched and attended in Moodle, Nama classes will be one way. It won't be useful. Please help me. Picture don't make me beg to you. Please ask questions. Please get your clarifications, from me. Utilize my time and utilize your time. சரி, ரெண்டாவது என்ன மறந்துச்சு. வில் கம் பேக் டு தட். எவ்வளோ பேர் ஆக்சுவலி கண்டென்ட் பார்த்தீங்க மூடலுக்கு போய்? ஜஸ்ட் யூ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் டு தரோவா வந்து எவ்ரி திங் இன் டீடைல். ஐம் நாட் ஆஸ்கிங். ஐம் ஆஸ்கிங் தோஸ் ஹூ ஹேவ் லாக்ட் இன் டு மூடல், செக்ட் அவுட் வாட் இட் இஸ். சும்மா டாபிக்ஸ் மட்டுமாவது யாராவது? எனி ஒன் ஹேவ் சீன் த டாபிக்ஸ் அட் லீஸ்ட்? வெரி குட். ரைட். ஓகே. So that's something which is enough for me right now. But then by Saturday, ensure that you guys complete the whatever is uploaded. The reason is management has advised us to uh, give attendance based on your Moodle submissions also. Abdina, whoever I am giving attendance today, okay, if they fail to submit the or attend the quiz and assignments or whatever activities that are planned in Moodle, if they have not submitted by Saturday, the attendance will be revoked. Okay, so ensure by Saturday you have enough time. Nobody is forcing you to do it today. So it goes like this: from Monday till Saturday you have time. How does it work, sir? Our class is on Thursday. How does it work? Okay, your Moodle will be activated on Monday, right? Every Monday there will be new content that will be activated. That will be open, kept open for you. Okay. So if it starts from, you can start attending to the content uploaded in Moodle for that particular week. Starting Monday till Saturday, you have time. Anytime you can log into the Moodle, watch the videos and attend the quiz and whatever. It will hardly take half an hour. I don't think it will be more than that. Okay, so once you do that, your Moodle class is over. So that will be part of your attendance, and the other part will be being present in the class here. So I made my points very clear. If there is anything that you would like to ask, please do. Hemant, ask me something. So, I'm not asking. You know the content, la? Okay. Praveen Kumar, any questions to you? Easy way out of Praveen, eh? See, unless otherwise you guys ask me anything, I don't think our classes will be any use, any use. All right, Akshaya Priya, any questions, ma? Right. Okay. I'll get to the next thing in agenda or attendance. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to check with you. Is everyone part of this lot have joined already in WhatsApp group, or there are still people who have not joined? Any idea? Arun Raja, is Arun here? Arun, Arun Raja, feedback Verdra. I'm talking about Arun Raja. Is he here? Yes, he is. But what happened to Arun Raja? Login பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டாரா? Okay. See, the first unit is going to be related to your questions from various organizations, TCS, CTS, maybe Capgemini, right? So once you get accustomed to that, please ask your doubts on that. I will try and help you out on that, and then we'll start with the second unit. Second unit will have topics to discuss. As of now, it is clearly the question patterns from various companies. So that's unit one for you. So if you have any clarifications, please share it with me. It doesn't mean that you'll have to wait for the class. You can send a message in the group, or a separate message also would do. I'll try and sort out right away. The reason why I'm asking you to do that is, let's say you're watching the content today and you decide to ask doubts only when we have the next class. By the time you go, come to the next class, we'll obviously forget what we actually saw. So அந்த என்ன டவுட்ன்றது ஞாபகம் இருக்க போறது இல்ல. So I want you to send your clarifications, doubts, if you have any questions, right away, immediately. When you watch, you have doubt, you note it down and send it immediately. Okay, so I'll try and address the issue immediately for you. If there is any clarification, I'll address it immediately. Okay, so that's it for today. If there is nothing else, you can leave. Attendance நான் பாத்துக்கிறேன். It's not logging in for me. Cameo, I'll take care of it. I've noted it here. அட்டண்டன்ஸ்க்காக தான் வர நீ. ரைட். எஸ்மா. ஆமாம்மா. So every week there'll be new content இல்லையா? அந்த வீக்குக்கான content, even though our class is on a Thursday, you can access it on Monday itself. So the content will be open in Moodle for that particular week. Whatever topic that we have planned for that week, okay, that will be open in. ம், கேளுங்க. கேளுங்க அனுஷா. அனுஷா, சாரி, கேட்கல. No, can you repeat it please? ம், ம். அதுக்கு காரணம் we have uploaded, see, 10% completedன்றத தாண்டி whatever is open to you, have you finished it? How many videos were there? How many videos were there? Capgemini இருந்தது வேற. ஓகே, அது முடிச்சிட்டீங்க இல்லையா? 4 videos and 4 quizzes முடிச்சிட்டீங்க இல்லையா? ஓகே, அவ்வளவுதான். ஸோ 10% காட்டுறதுக்கு காரணம் என்னன்னா, we have already uploaded unit 2, unit 3, unit 4 and all, but we have hid it from you. ஓகே, ஸோ அது உங்களுக்கு ஹிடன்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ we will only activate it coming Monday for the next hour என்னவோ அது அப்பதான் ஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ don't worry about it. If you completed for whatever that we have kept it activated, that's absolutely okay. So next week, okay, yeah. So and one more thing, yes, please, guys. I see that your name is Arun Kumar official 6008 Akshay Priya. That's fine. 6008 is your register number, yeah. 6008 Akshay Priya, right? Okay, okay, good. Okay. Most of you have done that. Some of you have not. Ajit Kumar Reddy, please include your last 4 digits of your register number, please. Akshaya Hariharan, Anish, Anilesh, யார் யாரெல்லாம் register number last 4 digits include பண்ணலையோ, all of them please include that in along with your name here, so that it becomes easy for me to um, give you attendance or check வந்திருக்கீங்களா இல்லையான்னு. Christy, remember that. And somebody has given their name as MMM. Full name கொடுங்க with your register number, please. Okay, yeah, this person. Who's this MM space M? Manimarana? Sorry? மதுமதியா? மதுமதி, சரி, எம்எம்னு வச்சுக்கிறது ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. பட் கிவ் யர் ரெஜிஸ்டர் நம்பர், லாஸ்ட் 4 digits ஆஃப் ரெஜிஸ்டர் நம்பர். அட்டண்டன்ஸ்க்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். நாகராஜா, டயானா, தினேஷ். டேய், நாட் இன் த மெசேஜ் டா. அட பாவீங்களா, ஐ எம் டாக்கிங் அபவுட் யுவர் நேம் அலாங் வித் யுவர் நேம். ஓகேயா? இப்ப தினேஷ் சௌரியான்னு இருக்கு, ஹைஃபன் போட்டு லாஸ்ட் 4 digits ஆஃப் யுவர் ரெஜிஸ்டர் நம்பர் போட்டுருங்க. தட் வே இட் பிகம்ஸ் ஈஸி. ஓகேயா? ரைட். ஓகே, தேங்க்ஸ் கைஸ். கண்டென்ட் முடிக்கலன்னா முடிச்சிடுங்க. We'll meet next Thursday, but from next Monday you can start accessing the next set of content in Moodle. Okay, good luck. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.